What if your next investment didn't just grow your portfolio, but also gave you a place to escape, or even live full-time? Mexico's real estate market offers more than just warm weather and ocean views. It delivers strong returns, low property taxes, and the opportunity to own a piece of paradise. From Playa del Carmen to Tulum, Cancun to Merida, this region is booming. Tourism is rising, infrastructure is expanding, and foreign investors are taking notice. But how do you get started? Can foreigners legally own property in Mexico? What areas offer the best returns? And how do you avoid making costly mistakes? That's exactly why we created the ultimate guide to investing in Mexico, a step-by-step resource to help you invest smarter, safer, and with confidence. You'll learn about the restricted zone areas near the coast or borders and how foreign buyers can still legally own property there through a Fideicomiso or a Mexican corporation. A Fideicomiso is essentially a bank trust. The bank holds the title, but you retain full control of the property. You can rent it, sell it, or pass it on to your heirs just like you would anywhere else. The guide also walks you through choosing the right location, downtown hotspots, gated communities, high-demand rental zones, plus how upcoming developments can boost your long-term investment. You'll compare resale homes, vacation rentals, and pre-construction deals, each with its own pros and cons, depending on your goals and risk tolerance. We also dive deep into the legal side, titles, and permits. You'll understand why hiring a real estate professional and an attorney is non-negotiable. Too many buyers skip legal due diligence and it costs them. Don't cut corners. Work with experts who understand both the process and the market. You'll also get the full scoop on financing. From developer loans to leveraging home equity back home, we break down your options clearly and realistically. And yes, we cover the numbers. Closing costs, acquisition taxes, annual property taxes, and how they compare to what you pay in the US or Canada. Thinking about renting it out? This guide shows you how to maximize returns through Airbnb, VRBO, or long-term leases. Plus, why hiring a local property manager might be your smartest move if you're investing from abroad. We even explore visa options from short stays to full residency and what kind of financial proof you'll need to make a long-term move. Finally, we break down the common pitfalls: overpaying in pre-construction, skipping inspections, expecting unrealistic returns. Mexico can be a gold mine, but only if you invest wisely. We've seen what works and what doesn't, and we've packed it all into this guide. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, generate rental income, or secure your future retirement home, this is your chance to invest in one of the world's most vibrant and opportunity-rich markets. Download the guide now and take the first step toward investing with confidence. Your investment in paradise is closer than you think.